Looking for a daily solution without any adhesives? Keep watching. Clips on a hair system are a great way to secure your unit without the hassle of glue or tape. In this video, I'll show you which hair systems work best for this method, how to attach clips, and how to replace them when needed. Before we discuss how to attach clips, let's discuss the best hair systems for this method. Not all bases work well with clips, so choosing the right one is key. Monotop bases. These are typically designed with a poly perimeter, providing strength and durability, making them ideal for clips. Lace with poly perimeter. This lace offers a breathable center with a strong border, balancing comfort and security. If you have natural hair underneath, clips are a great way to keep your system secure while allowing easy daily removal. So how to attach clips to a hair system? Now that you know which bases work best, let's attach some clips. You'll need small toupee clips, a needle, and strong thread. Decide where you want to place the clips, typically on each side, one in the back and one in the front. Align the clip with the base, making sure the teeth face inward. Use a needle and thread to sew in the clip securely onto the base, looping through the small holes. Keep it tight, but don't pull too hard to avoid damaging the material. Repeat this process for each clip, ensuring they are evenly spaced for a secure fit. How to replace worn-out clips. Over time, clips can loosen or wear out. Replacing them is quick and easy. Use small scissors or a seam ripper to carefully remove the thread holding the old clip. Taking off the old clip and clean away any leftover thread. Place a new clip in the same spot and sew it in securely using the same method as before. Now you can test the clip to ensure it snaps open and closes easily and holds the system securely. And that's it. Clips are a simple and effective way to wear your hair system without adhesive. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. And we'll see you in the next video.